You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on with every lie.
Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to do, this is my big monthly grocery haul. I guess I just got $400 and some worth of groceries when we got our stimulus, and so this is the rest of the month or whatever, and I want to show y'all. So I've got my camera up here, and I hope that y'all can see all this. Alright, so my frozen stuff, I got the Pick Sweet 3-pepper and onion blend. I have never used frozen onions and peppers, so I don't know about that. And then I got 4 bags of cauliflower and 1 bag of snap pea, what is it, sugar snap pea stir fry. And then I got 2 bags of seasoning blend with onion, celery, red pepper, green peppers, and parsley flakes. Never used those either. I've got a puff pastry. All this stuff is things that I'm going to make for y'all. I've got a small bag. This is the 8-ounce size of mozzarella cheese. I've got an 8-ounce bag of Italian-style cheese. I've got sliced Swiss. This is 24 slices. I really don't know if I like Swiss, but I've got, I'm going to move this over, but I've got some, a recipe that calls for it, so. Alright, and this is another thing that I've never used. This is family size, ravioli, yeah, I guess that's what it is. Italian sausage, mildly seasoned, yeah, ravioli, mildly seasoned Italian sausage and cheese wrapped in thin pasta, and then it says ravioli. So I'm excited about this. I've never had this. Alright, and then my bananas. I try to eat a banana a day, even though I know that it's not good for my diabetes. I still love them, and I still try to eat one a day. Alright, and then I've got a 2-pound box of strawberries, and I want y'all to look at these. They look so good. They did good in picking them out for me. Alright, and then I got these. I got 2 basil plants and 2 rosemary plants that I want to go out and plant tomorrow, I think. I got 2 green bell peppers and 1 yellow bell pepper. I got and I already had some of this and didn't know it. I thought I'd gotten some last week, but I went back and looked at my grocery list and it wasn't on there. So I don't know whether I got it from Kroger or Walmart, but this is Canadian bacon. I want to make some, egg? Oh, McDonald's has them. I don't know. Anyway, I got 2 pounds of asparagus. Y'all know I love asparagus. I got 1 English cucumber. Let me turn this around now. I got a huge spaghetti squash. I'm going to fix that. I got some broccoli slaw. I've got a recipe to make with that. I got me some oatmeal raisin cookies. That's my favorite. I love oatmeal raisin cookies. Alright, I got those. I got a big pack of hamburgers. This is the Angus beef steak burger. I like to just put these in bags and I'll wrap them up or put them in sandwich bags, each one in a sandwich bag or something, and that way I just got to pull it out. I got a thing of Duke's mayonnaise. It's the only kind of mayonnaise I use. I got the 32 ounce. I got a thing of pesto. This is the traditional basil pesto. I got a large thing of Daisy sour cream. I got a thing of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I got a thing of butter. I got 2 cans of Fiesta nacho cheese soup. 2 things of vegetable soup. These are all for recipes that I'm going to do. I got 2 beautiful pineapples. You can't see them, and they are so pretty. They're not as big, I'm sure, as some places are, but they're big for around here. All right, and I got 2 vanilla puddings, 2 chili packs. Wait a minute, I haven't done that yet. 2 chili packs. Yeah, I'm doing my grocery. Oh, I haven't turned it around to show that yet. Okay, 3 large tomatoes that are green. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. And then I got 2 packs of potato gnocchi. I don't think I've ever had this before, but we're going to see. And then I got some eggs and 2 things of Triscuits. This is my favorite cracker. Cracked pepper and olive oil. And then 2 cherry jellos. I got a half a gallon of milk. Half a gallon of half and half, and then a quart of heavy whipping cream. Over there, I got 2 more. I guess you can, yeah, right. Let me get my finger over. Right. All right, now, come on. Let me find it. Where do I go? Right there. Right behind my finger. Rosemary and olive oil Triscuits. Then I got 2 cantaloupes. I got a loaf of bread, the Sara Lee white with white something. And then I had to get Lysol disinfecting wipes. I use those for my kitchen table constantly. I'm constantly wiping off my kitchen table with those. And then I got the dog kibbles and bits. I got a 8-pound bag of jumbo potatoes. I got a bag of Fresh Step. I got a 3-pound bag of onions. And then my dog some multi-flavored biscuits, because I've never gotten her those before. So, all right, let me bring you back. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Y'all are not gonna believe what I did. Lori had come over to help me. Lori is my ex-nurse, but she's still helping me, thank God, until I can find someone. I'm just not having any luck finding anybody. Nobody's even applying. And I know it's because the stimulus checks just came out and people are getting so much, what is it, $300 a week? Is it $300 a week extra? Yeah, $300 a week extra on unemployment. And so people are just not applying. And so I'm having a real hard time finding someone, but Lori is helping me. And she was here and she was getting ready to put the stuff up, and I hadn't showed y'all yet, so I wanted to stop her before, because she was getting ready to pick up the dog food, I think, and take it in there. So anyway, I stopped the camera, and then we started talking, and I forgot, and we started putting the groceries up and just everything. I just forgot to film the rest of it, but this was my monthly grocery. Hopefully I shouldn't have very much to buy, unless it is something like vegetables or something like that. I've got enough meats. I've got enough canned stuff. I've got plenty of recipes that I'm going to be showing y'all. And along with those come, the meats that I have and the vegetables that I have. So hopefully, but anyway, the groceries that I got today was $220, and 60 of that was the non-food stuff. That was like the dog food and stuff like that or whatever. So it the dog food will last for a while, and I got the dog chew bones, treats, because I just decided that Sugar, my dog, needed treats. So I got her a whole thing of treats, and I had to get cat litter and what else? Oh, and Lysol wipes and all that stuff. So anyway, it was $220 worth of stuff, and so I did want to, come back and tell y'all that's what had happened. And so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And I have gone through all my links below and made sure that all of them work. And they all work now, and I deleted the ones that don't work anymore, like companies that wanted me to do reviews for them, and they gave me a link to use, but then they took the link away. So, but the video's still up, which, but anyway, that is all cleared up now. And so I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.